Friends, sport teaches us discipline, unity, and the power of collective strength. Our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, always shares one message with our athletes. Sports is not only about winning medals, it is about winning hearts. In sports, there are no losers. You either win or you learn. It is this vision that driven us forward. Today, PM Modi ji has also declared Bharat aims to host the 2036 Olympics. This will not be just an event. It will be a defining milestone in our journey towards Viksit Bharat by 2047. But this dream will come true only if we nurture the hidden talent of our villages, for rural Bharat will be the stronger pillar of the dream. I have been informed that this edition of Isha Gramotsavam took place across 183 locations in 6 states and 1 union territories. With 63,000 participants, including more than 12,000 women, representing more than 35,000 villages. Friends, why I come in this Gram Mahotsavam? I come in learn to Sadhguru ji. How happened 35,000 villages? 35,000 villages event coordinate to rural level, district level, and all we assemble here. It's a great moment of sports. Friends, it's memorable statements to rural strength and unity. So, I request to Sadhguru ji, because government need as like you sent. Why we need? We want to help your strength, helpful to us identify the talent of villages. Today I am very enthusiastic and I am learned a lot, because I seen in my eyes that the rural talent playing in this ground. Sadhguru ji, we want to MOU with you. I want to MOU. Isha Foundation. You help us, guide us how we can identify the rural talent. It is very important, because talent, the India is 6 lakhs villages. Lot of talent is there, and you have prepared the pathway of talent identification of rural talent. And second, Sadhguru ji has taken to movement of de-addiction. De-addiction is challenge of our nation. We are going on way of developing country. We want to develop country. We want to develop country. our youth, our youth is always capable, talented, and de-addicted. Sadhguruji started to movement of anti-de-addiction. I myself is Youth Affairs Minister also. I want to request to Sadhguruji by Isha Foundation, you help us, you help to nation de-addiction movement of government has taken.
So this is the time, because nearly 60% of our population is in rural spaces. It's extremely important that we ignite this spirit in the villages. Well, a lot is being done, but you know it's not enough. The last 10, 20 years' time, a lot has happened in the country, tremendous steps we have taken. Our economy is growing faster than any other nation right now. We have many challenges, all sorts of challenges which no other country has. We have the most complex challenges. But we have lived through 800 years of invasion and over 250 years of very strong occupation, so we are not new to challenges. We have handled our challenges well, and we are prospering, not just here, wherever Indians go, they are prospering.